Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron ulit tayo mathematical problem na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains 1997 High School Division. And here's the question. What is the slope of the joining the points -2, 3, and 3, 9 on the Cartesian plane? Tapos meron din na po akong siningit na tanong dito. What is the slope-intercept form? Okay? In order to get the slope muna, i-substitute muna natin to. Always remember, yung x laging nasa left sides ng parenthesis, habang ang y nasa right sides naman. Okay? In order to get the x1, tignan natin kung anong unang nabanggit. That's -2. Alright? Then ang x2, yung pangalawang nabanggit, which is 3. Then ang y1, same as dito, this will be 3. Very good. Then ang y2, ano yung pangalawang nabanggit? That's 9. Okay, so ito yung gagamitin natin for the rest of this video. So in order to get the slope, kunin natin ang formula niya. So bale, ang slope is small letter n, which will be equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if you're going to substitute this will be 9 minus 3 over 3 minus -2. Since pares lang negative, i-turn na natin ito into positive. Okay? Kung sasagutin natin yan, 9 minus 3 will be 6. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. So, the slope for this is 6 over 5. Ayan po. Dahil nakuha natin ng slope, kunin naman na natin ng slope-intercept form. Pero paano? Kunin muna natin ang formula nito, which will be y is equal to the slope, which is mx plus b. And then, ito magagamit din natin ito for the rest of this video. So, bago natin kunin yan, kunin muna natin ang point slope form. Pwede nyo kunin yung first term at pwede rin sa second term. Paano? Ganito. Y minus y1 is equal to m, the quantity of x, minus x1. Or, pwede rin kunin sa second term, sa second parenthesis, y minus y2 will be equal to m, the quantity of x, minus x2. Sa dalawang formula nito, iisa lamang ang sagot sa slope-intercept form dahil nakuha na natin ang mismong slope. I-verify natin kung parehas ba yung sa first and sa second parenthesis. By substituting this, y minus y1 is 3 is equal to m. Kung gagawin natin whole number ang slope, that will be 1.2 to the quantity of x minus -2. Since pares itong negative, gawin natin siyang positive. Yan, so x plus 2 na lang siya. 1.2, i-multiply natin sa x at saka sa 2. So, y minus 3 will be equal to 1.2. 1.2 times x, which will be 1.2x, plus 1.2 times 2, that will be 2.4. Eh, mapapansin naman natin may nakalabas na 3. Tingnan natin yung operation yan. That's minus. So, kung ilipat natin siya rito, that will be plus 3. Kaya ang sagot dito sa slope-intercept, y is equal to 1.2x plus, that will be 5.4. Ayan po ang sagot sa slope-intercept form. So, mapapansin naman natin na iisa lamang sagot. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Estorial. Stacker out.